In multiplication, children and teachers both have some misconceptions. That is, teachers, what are the misconceptions that teachers have? Let us see that first. We call this misunderstanding also. The misconceptions and misunderstanding. What are they? Firstly, when we multiply from the tenth or the hundreds place, should we put a plus or a zero or an into sign or some other blank? This is a big confusion. The answer, there are many answers to that. We have seen the right answer. It is better to put a zero. Secondly, the definition of multiplication, the related vocabulary to multiplication, such as the introduction to, even before introducing the concept, this is a multiplier, this is a multiplicand. What the children feel is, I'm learning multiplication for the first time, but I have to learn so many more words. It leads to a fear. Hence, it is better to use the words only after they get the clarity of concept and fluency of procedure. Then use these words. Thirdly, how multiplication can be done fast. That is, speed. Speed is everything in mathematics. If we tell them that, if we give importance to speed, what happens is multiplication can be done this way, lattice method, Vedic method. There are many more such methods. They have not learnt even a single method, but we have taught them three other methods. Without the conceptual clarity, we have given them multiple procedures. It will only increase their confusion. Now, what are the misconceptions in the children? If we look at that, they are almost the same as in teachers. Whether to put a zero or a plus mark when I multiply from a tens place, and what is a multiplicand and a multiplier. Giving more importance to this vocabulary is actually unnecessary because A into B is equal to B into A. Whatever is the problem, the result will be the same. This might be necessary to use when we ask word problems. However, it is not necessary to find the answer. And children, when they want to do the basic operations of mathematics faster, quickly, they can use calculator for everything. That is, if you have to do everything fast, let us use the calculator. For all these methods and all that are necessary to understand the concept. It is important to understand the concept first. After understanding everything, use the calculator. But if you use the calculator without understanding the concept, we are out to use a method without knowing the concept. Now, when we learnt multiplication, how to do multiplication? Multiplication is a simplified way of addition. In our imagination, this is a rectangle. And lastly, when we have to learn multiplication, we need to understand the concept first, and then we need to think about the procedural fluency. After everything, the concept of multiplication, the vocabulary related to that, we need to understand a product, a multiplicand. All these definitions we have taught the children. Multiplication has to be a part of our everyday life. What are the benefits for other operations if we learn multiplication? Thank you.